As a principal, as a teacher, we want our students to want to come to school. When we offer work-based learning courses like welding, woods, film, and arts, they want to come to school.
I'm very passionate about the electives that I've got. Woodshop for me, it's pretty calming and peaceful.
I'm doing a welding certificate right now as we speak. There's not really many girls in that industry, so I just want to help improve to other girls here in Mescalero that we can do it and that it's not only a boys thing.
It'd be pretty cool if I could go to like a college or something and help out athletes or come back here and kind of change the culture.
In these classes, they start saying, okay, I could actually have a career in this.
In the past, we had attendance issues. Students didn't want to be here, but now they want to come to school. It's transforming not only our school, but our community.
Learning isn't always out of straight textbooks. It's hands-on. In this day and age, it takes a lot of things to make students engage.
So this one was for grand prize winner. We won it for our coming of age ceremony. It makes me feel proud that I get to show my culture. What gave me the motivation to speak more about my culture is that now that the years are going on and that we are moving advancedly in technology, our culture and our language is starting to die. We are Apaches. We need to carry it on.
Providing our students with career technology education, this is what is getting our students ready, not only to graduate, but also to be ready for the workforce beyond high school.
Our children are the best product we're growing in New Mexico. An investment in them is an investment in us. You're making an investment in our students, but you're also making an investment in our country, in our world.